Looking for the best cheap PC cases to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Thermaltake Versa H18. Thermaltake's H18 Micro ATX case and the AeroCool Bolt are our picks for the best airflow options among cases under $50. The H18 is an all-black case that will give budget builders a nice-looking chassis that will provide adequate airflow for their components. The H18 can support graphics cards up to 350mm long and CPU coolers as tall as 155mm. With 350mm of clearance for the graphics card, that means the H18 can house pretty much any graphics card currently available. It can also support 3 different radiators at the same time on the front, top, and back of the case, with the ability to hold a radiator as long as 280mm on the front of the case. So, if you want to put a 280mm AIO cooler in this case, you definitely won't be lacking for options that will fit inside of it. As a Micro ATX case, it can hold both Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards. Ultimately, for right about $50, the Thermaltake Versa H18 comes with the room, clearance, and airflow necessary to house a high-end gaming computer. So, if you are looking for a budget-friendly case that you can use to build a solid system with, or a case that you can grow into in the future, the H18 is a solid option that won't cost you an arm and a leg. Number 2. Thermaltake Core V1. Another Thermaltake case that comes in under $50 and is worth mentioning is the Core V1. The Core V1 is a Mini ITX case, and it was also one of our choices for the best cube-style cases as well. Despite its compact size, it can still hold graphics cards that are up to 260mm long and CPU coolers that are up to 140mm tall. So, while you can't fit a longer graphics card in this case, or a taller heatsink, there are plenty of low-profile graphics cards and low-profile coolers that will work with it. In fact, you can fit a Mini RTX 3070 inside of the Core V1, which means you won't be limited in the kind of gaming-specific system you can build in this case. Again, the case is a Mini ITX form factor, so you will only be able to fit a Mini ITX motherboard inside of it. In the end, if you don't have a huge budget, but you still want to build a small form factor gaming PC, the Thermaltake Core V1 will allow you to do so without having to spend a ton of money on your case. Number 3. MasterBox Q300L. The MasterBox Q300L is another impressive budget-friendly PC case. This one comes in at a little over $50, as do a majority of the cases on this list, thanks inflation, but it is still a solid option for anyone who is looking for an affordable option to house their components. The case comes with 2 easy-to-remove dust filters on the top and front panels of the case. The Q300L also offers quite a bit of flexibility in where you can place the I/O panel by giving you the ability to place it in 6 different locations. All in all, while we like some of the other case options listed above a bit better, the Q300L will be an excellent option for anyone who prefers its aesthetics and unique feature set.